The girl found a frail little monkey in the pouring rain and, out of pity, decided to bring it home. After cleaning and tidying it up, she even put a diaper on it. Under the girl's meticulous care, the little one grew significantly. She treated it like her own child, feeding it, putting it to sleep, and even soothing it until it fell asleep, drinking milk. In return, the little one considered the girl as its mother, loving to be close to her. The girl bought many cute clothes for it and occasionally took it outside to bask in the sun. As it grew older, it became a helpful companion to its mom, not only taking care of household chores, but also looking after itself. In its leisure time, it even enjoyed using a smartphone at home.